The RIC was great in offering workshops to the public in a way that is still academic but also accessible.
So we'd go through the exhibit and then we do kind of a close reading and a walkthrough with that, and that also felt like very liberating also to talk so freely and openly.
And the collaboration where you asked us as participants what images speak to us, and that type of sharing was important to talk about how these images make us feel. One really great guided tour that I had at the RIC was the Gordon Parks exhibit, and that one was important for me to think critically about how people use photography and how photography is political. It's helped me think deeply about what I want to say with my work.
I found the sequential workshops really successful because they weren't too long, they weren't drawn out, it didn't feel repetitive in that sense because it was really focused. So I thought it was like a good balance of theory and then also practical, just experimentation.
My biggest takeaway from the outreach program was the collaborative process in working with others.
But it was really nice to be so tactile and so quick with it and actually produce something within half an hour or an hour and then just talk about what you did and why you made those decisions.
I look at it as an invitation to try to unpack what images they're trying to say beyond a beautiful image. After outreach, I really learned that art is accessible for everybody, and that's why it's there.
I think everyone was really there to share and to be opinionated if they wanted to be, or to be receptive at least to the experience.
It would really benefit people who want to take photography a little bit more seriously.
It had felt like it'd been a while for me at least where I was in a space that was so exciting to be in and inspiring and also just completely generous. I felt like I had been invited into a community which was really nice that I didn't even really know I could be part of.